Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare tomato saar. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 onions, Bafat powder 3 to 4 teaspoons, salt as per taste, 7 tomatoes, 3 to 4 glass of water. For a small quantity of tomato saar, use 1 onion and 3 tomatoes. Let's start the preparation. First heat the empty pan and add a few tablespoons of oil and then add onion. As onion turns golden brown, add tomatoes. Add little salt. Add Bafat powder. Add water. Add salt as per taste. Yummy! Tomato saar is ready to serve. Please try this recipe and share your feedback in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.